after our last order, we had said that, look, set up adequate security
Yes, we
apparatus.
got an affidavit to that effect. I showed
Now,
you.
what have you done?
Yes,
Let's
yes.
start with RGKAR itself,
let's-
RGKAR
In
hospital.
consultation with
What,
CISF.
tell us what steps have been taken to improve the
Yes,
safety and the security at the
Yes, yes,
RGKAR college
we give
itself.
the affidavit. We just give it to you. Yes, yes, we've done that. We
This
filed this. We circulated
Apart
it
from
yesterday.
budgetary allocation, what steps have you taken on the ground?
Yes, Manoj, yes. We're showing it to your lordship. We gave that, circulated it yesterday, Manoj.
of 2020.
Can I have, I'm not concerned, but if you can give me a copy for completion.
Through the health
I'm not
department,
served.
Manoj, this affidavit was filed through the health department. Just give it, give copies. Give
None of
copies
us
now.
have
I
copies,
don't
Manoj.
think we have, but I'm not concerned with that, but copies.
May I have a copy, please?
Usko to de do.
This concerns the junior doctors.
Now, Manoj, kindly see.
Manoj, this
Mr.
is
Sibal,
not
may I-
confidential. May we all have copies?
Mr. Sibal, may I have a copy, please?
May we all have copies, sir?
Yeah, give copies. Don't have copies for everyone. We'll give it to you. I'll just read
Yes,
it out
you
and
have
then.
to address the court on
We
this
don't-
issue.
Why don't you share
You are
one copy with them
intervening.
so that, they can
What is-
between themselves.
What is the difficulty in sharing a copy with me?
Yeah, I'm giving it to you.
You should have come to court with extra
Very
copies.
difficult, Manoj.
All right.
Thank you.
Let's kindly just come to page 2, Manoj, paragraph 4. Confidence building initiatives by the state of West Bengal. As per the order of the court, Manoj. In furtherance of the orders passed by this honorable court, the following district collectors and superintendent of police can be duly communicated the said order for compliance and necessary action. Right, so each district, the district collector, commissioner of police, Manoj, identified. Para 5. Further, a letter has also been issued to all district magistrates and superintendents of police for ensuring safety and security of the health professionals working in various health facilities. True copy of the letter dated so-and-so from the Principal Secretary, Department of Health and Family is attached, which is at page 1415. Manoj. Then, meeting in this regard was chaired by the Chief Secretary of the state with all the district magistrates, chief medical officers of health, principals and hospital superintendents on 13/9, giving clear directions to all for ensuring safety and security and early completion of the various infrastructural works being undertaken. DMs and SPs have visited the medical college in their respective jurisdiction, and they are taking all steps in this regard. That the state of West Bengal is providing the following facilities to 28 medical colleges and hospitals throughout the state, out of which the district collectors, along with superintendent of police, are monitoring the 18 government medical college and hospitals in the district outside Kolkata, while the 10 medical colleges and hospitals in Kolkata are under the Kolkata Police Commissionerate. Besides this, there are 87 public hospitals, district hospitals, super specialty hospitals, sub-divisional hospitals, and state general hospitals. Now, Manoj, what is it that we have done? Let's see, existing facility of duty rooms and the restrooms, right? So, Manoj, you have 732 males and 444 females. Total is that. Additional duty rooms and restrooms sanctioned are 5, and work has already begun, Manoj. And 536 male, 357, it's increased by another 893. And within 7 to 14 days, the work will be completed. I've put it there, Manoj. Work has started, and directions have been issued to executing agencies to complete the work in 7 to 14 days. Then come to the existing toilet facilities. You have 462, 249 for women and 711 total, and 1497 and 806 in public hospitals. That's 2303. The additional for women is 724 and 503 for the others, for the public hospitals. And this also will be completed in 7 to 14 days. Then existing CCTV cameras, in additional will be 6178, and public hospitals 4071. Also, work will be over between 7 and 14 days. Following this is the special dealing with RGKAR. There are currently common duty rooms are available for doctors. The total are 57, 24 and 47. Additional will be made and sanctioned. There are 71 additional. And work has started. And joint inspection with hospital authorities, PWD, CISF has been held. Networks have been, new works have been taken up. Then existing facility toilets, 43 and 26 is 69. We're building another 82. Joint inspection has been done, with hospital authorities, PWD and CISF has been held and new works have been taken up. Then existing CCTV cameras 217, we're increasing them to 415. 36 are installed, the other work is going on, Melissa. Then photos are at page 16 to 26, Melissa, they're all there. Then, Melissa, additional security guards. In order to improve the safety and security of doctors, nurses and other staff in all the medical colleges and hospitals, the government of West Bengal has introduced the program Ratire Sati Helper at Night. The concurrence of State Finance Department has been obtained for engagement of additional 1514 security personnel under this program for all medical colleges and hospitals. There are already 232 existing security guards and additional 85 security personnel have been designated afresh for RGKAR Medical Hospital, College and Hospital. 3 companies of CISF are already deployed at RGKAR. A true copy of the order dated so-and-so issued by the department is attached. It is, however, most respectfully submitted that despite the order of this court, junior doctors, but anyway, Manoj, I don't want to read this because unnecessarily, Manoj, we have now reached some kind of settlement.
Now, when you say that there are 232 existing security guards and additional 85 security personnel have been designated afresh for RGKAR Medical
Yes,
College.
yes, yes.
Are these from the Ratire Sati?
No. These are police, Manoj, police personnel, not Ratire Sati, Manoj. And we will substitute the Ratire Sati with police personnel. It's only a temporary measure, only for 1 year, Manoj.
No,
We'll
my
then
lords.
substitute them with police personnel.
You know, Mr. Sibal, what really happened was this. The accused who committed the crime was drawn from
Yes,
the
yes.
volunteer force.
Correct.
Now, if we are going to have another set of contractual people who will be now designated.
Now we are giving them ID cards.
But
Security agencies have been,
imagine, these contractual people will be trained,
But-
1 second. These contractual people will be trained for 7 days. And then they will be walking all around in the hospital. Now, what is the protection which these young doctors have, particularly the women doctors, about these contractual staff walking around in the night in the hospital?
Manoj, this is in addition to the security of the police that is already there, Manoj.
But you know, the crime was, let's face it, the crime was crime is alleged to have been carried out by a volunteer
That's
who was
right,
posted
that's
at the
right.
hospital.
That's
Now,
right.
if we are going to replace the volunteers with these,
Manoj,
Staff.
there were hundreds of volunteers, Manoj. It's not that. We'll make sure now. We've got police personnel there. There are stationed there.
appraisal, the GR says, the government resolution says that
Manoj,
they will be appointed through an
these are not,
outsourcing agency.
no, these are not civic volunteers. There is a security agency that we have hired. Through them, we have recruited.
So the security agency will recruit these people.
Yes.
Does anybody carry out any
Yes.
incidents, antecedents,
Verification is done, proper
any
verification is,
psychological assessment, because these people are going to be working. in the
proper
hospital.
verification is done. Health department is involved in this. Manoj, something has to be left.
Today, particularly the women doctors have a feeling of, insecurity. Now you get suddenly.
Manoj, CISF is there today, Manoj.
They don't know who these people are.
Manoj,
They're not your police, they're not your paramilitary.
CISF is there, Manoj, for them to resume work now. Manoj, now what's the problem? CISF is there. Manoj, after all, something has to be done by the state, Manoj, to make sure that, your lordships, I mean,
And CISF will be there for a short time because they responded to
we'll
a.
make arrangements after that,
Regular
Manoj.
police, we are asking.
We'll
for
make
the regular
arrangements after
police
that.
force of
But it
West
can't be,
Bengal
Manoj,
to
that the
replace them.
doctor.
That's all we ask.
The whole problem is when you entrust security to contractual staff, particularly in hospitals where people are on duty for 36 hours, they stay there. There is virtually no protection for women
There is a
otherwise.
civic volunteer in this, Manoj. These are true
They
security.
are contractual staff.
We have a police house, Manoj,
clothing.
kindly see, we have a police outpost in every hospital.
Notwithstanding the police outpost,
Manoj,
even
this
an
is,
FIR was taken
I agree,
after
but I am
30
not disputing that, Manoj. We are not, but
514 of them.
Why is the,
1,514.
why
hours
is
is
the
again
government coming out
incorrect,
with
Manoj.
this?
14 hours,
Surely-
again incorrect.
Surely
If your
you
losses
understand-
want, we'll disband this. There's no issue, Manoj.
Possible. It's not a question of the court wanting it. We are not in charge of governance in the
But
state.
therefore, Manoj, some
The
confidence
doctors
in
have
us.
They have genuine reservations because they say, who are these contractual people who are
But
now going to be working shoulder with us?
Manoj, your lordship must have some confidence in the state machinery after all this has happened. After all, we are also cognizant of it. We are also all against it. We want the security of our women doctors. Your lordship must assume that, Manoj. State is
Therefore-
not cognizant of all this.
Now, in terms of what you have disclosed to us
Yes.
in You said that.
Visit ILMS Academy for various courses from contract drafting, RTI, labor law, GST, and more. Get certified to enhance employability.
There are 28 government medical colleges in the state of West Bengal,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
There are 17 government hospitals, including hospitals attached to medical colleges,
Yes.
and number of government hospitals in the state of West Bengal, 87 hospitals,
yeah.
besides the 28 medical colleges
Correct,
and
correct,
hospitals.
correct.
Now, so we are really dealing with these 28 government medical colleges in the state of West Bengal. This is a key
That's
area.
at page 10,
Because government medical colleges involve young people who are there to pursue their medicine.
Yes.
These are the young girls who are straight out of 12th standard, who are going to be then joining for 4.5, 5 years.
Correct.
We are therefore dealing with young people in the age group of 18 to 23. They are particularly vulnerable and they have to be protected.
Of course, of course.
And we have to deal therefore with these 28 colleges.
Correct.
Because they have no great pleasure in abstaining from work.
That's right.
They are abstaining from work because now, as we see, having these contractual people there, they will be having a new source of completely insecure premises.
That's
Who are these people who are going to be joining at a contractual level? I think government has to talk to them and tell them that, look, this is the verification which we are doing. Or you need now a new set of volunteers who will be called the Rathired Sathi.
we informed them yesterday evening in our conversation with them, Manoj. This was informed.
My lords, both are
And
instructions.
this is what
are
is
clear.
recorded, it
The
also.
police
It's also
must
recorded.
replace the
We are in a
declaration.
situation where
it's also
there's a
recorded.
lack- there's a lack of security for the doctors. The way to do it is really to have regular police personnel, at least in these 28 government medical colleges and hospitals.
That's our
what-
demand.
These are the colleges where the youngest of our future
28 plus
doctors are.
17. There's also Calcutta, 28 plus 17. Go look at page 10, Manoj.
Yeah,
28 in the state is 17 in Calcutta.
pin code. So you have 45.
I mentioned that every hospital, the Chief Justice says, look, there was a police output and yet this happened. So therefore,
So we are dealing with 28 plus 17,
Yes,
45.
yes,
Let's deal with these 45 first on priority.
right.
Because as we said in the other hospitals, you will not have, say, 18, 19-year-old young, almost like children. They're beyond 18, that's the only thing. But these are very young doctors, young interns,
Right, right.
they're all young students.
Right.
Now, they are straight out of their homes, they're coming in from different parts of West
Fair enough.
Bengal. Now, we have to assuage their concerns and the concerns of their parents.
Manoj, kindly see, Manoj, page.
Tell us for these
item eight.
45 hospitals,
Kindly see,
tell us for the 45 hospitals, what are you going to do to
kindly
ensure
have a
their
look at
safety?
page 10, item 8. There's an increase of women security officials on duty when women doctors, nursing staff are on night duty. 910 additional women security personnel will be deployed after training at the police training institutes, and they are undergoing training at the moment.
Now,
We are
these
called
women security personnel will be regular?
Yes, yes,
personnel
yes,
from the
regular
West
police
Bengal
force.
police or what?
Regular police force.
So within what period will they?
They are undergoing
report to
training,
these
because I don't know what the training period, but at the moment they are undergoing training. I'll find out and let you know.
Because, ultimately the devil lies in the fine print. It's not, they say that, look, you have sanctioned funds. You say that, well, duty rooms are being constructed.
We'll get back to your lordships on this.
So tell us, and second, who is going to in every district in West Bengal, the collector and district magistrate one, and second, the superintendent of police, they must ensure and oversee that these arrangements are in place.
Absolutely.
In terms of the CCTV cameras, the location for the CCTV cameras, and most importantly, there has to be some SOP. It can't be that the principal says, "Acha, yahan laga do, wahan laga do."
That's why,
You
Manoj,
must
we.
have you must have a
placed
proper
everything on-
SOP on where you're going to put CCTV.
Manoj, what happened was when the CI
They
said,
must provide absolute cover to areas where, say, the female doctors rest at night, the bathrooms which they use, because these are the areas where they are
Agree.
vulnerable.
Manoj, we are ad idem. Manoj, when the cameras were installed in the RGKAR hospital, we asked the CISF to tell us where should they be installed, and we installed them accordingly. Similarly, we'll do it. We have an SOP in place, and we'll place it on record, Manoj, and we'll follow it to the T.
Now, see, RGKAR also, Mr. Sibal, the progress is very slow. RGKAR, you said you are going to, you have sanctioned 415 additional CCTV cameras.
Yes.
But only 36 have been installed.
But Manoj, within 7 to 14 days, Manoj, they took time to identify the place. So within 7 to 14 days, they'll be completed.
Now, 1 second. Have the lawyers appearing for the resident doctors seen now what they have assured the court that they are going to do?
Ma'am,
Within a period of 7 to 14 days, they have given us details of the CCTV cameras, duty restrooms, and
Public
additional
toilet.
toilet facilities.
Yes, yes.
Now, apart from that, say at RGKAR itself, areas where the women doctors they take rest at night or even during
Yes,
the
yes.
day, early morning. Why can't you think of having, say, biometric facilities for
Yes,
access
we'll
to
do
that
that.
particular
Yes,
area?
yes, yes, yes.
Is it
Absolutely.
not possible to have biometric access?
We'll
so
do that, Manoj.
A woman who goes into, say, now she went to the seminar room.
But
The access to that particularly, which is a duty restroom, should be only controlled by a biometric facility.
actually,
If
Manoj,
you're
the
not
health secretary is here. The health secretary is here. We will do it. We'll put biometrics there. No issue.
So these are, I mean,
Yes,
you have to also think out of the
Press
box.
buttons.
Yes, yes, I agree. Manoj, we want this to be in place so that such incidents don't happen again, Manoj. That's our primary concern. It's an eye opener for us
Now
also.
tell us, since the health secretary is here, what modalities will you follow for reviewing each hospital as a standalone unit and ensuring that the requirement of installing CCTV cameras, restrooms, access points, control of access is maintained?
Manoj,
What is we can't start
Well, that's
sitting and
correct.
say, all right, in this hospital, give us 20 more
May I
cameras.
make a request, Manoj?
Tell us
Consult
what-
with us.
One second.
How you are going to put into place?
May
the
I make a
mechanism
request,
for
Manoj? We
ensuring
will
that?
give to your lordships on affidavit. Give us 2 weeks' time to exactly how it is going to be
2
done.
weeks is too long.
DM and SPs are already doing it, Manoj.
DM, SB, superintendent of hospitals, along with the representative of the doctors are visiting each of the places.
Hospital.
They are identifying and only then the works are being taken up. From a security point of view, from a.
All right, then what we will do is this, we will record that the district magistrates, the superintendent of police, and and a representative of the senior and the hospital administrators,
Yes.
the doctors,
the moment
Will-
it's participatory, the problem.
Yes, 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 absolutely.
that, so that you put
Then
into
they
place a
make commitment.
participatory process.
Absolutely.
That the doctors are also then as well.
To be consulted.
Absolutely,
Where
Manoj,
what
we
is
agree.
CCTV?
We agree, Manoj.
All right, then we
That's
pass
in the
an order
minutes
to that
also.
effect, because
That's
that's
part of the agreement.
ultimately, look, ultimately,
Nitty-gritties.
But
I also realize that, we are dealing with young people between the age of 18 and 23. We have to handle them in a different way.
Sure.
They're all deeply concerned. It could have happened to any one of them. Why
Sure.
only this
Exactly.
young woman?
That's
It could
right.
have happened to any one of them.
I agree.
That's all that they are worried about.
Yes, yes, and rightly so.
All right.
We have made a coordinating officer
A-
to do this.
An affidavit has been filed by the state of West Bengal for explaining the steps. Dr. Joshi will come back to you in a minute. Don't worry. An affidavit has been filed by the state of West Bengal for
On behalf of the
explaining-
health department, Manoj.
on behalf of,
Health
the state of West Bengal by Sri Narayan Swarup Nigam, Principal Secretary in the Department of Health and Family Welfare, explaining the steps which have been taken specifically for upgrading bracket 1 duty rooms stroke restrooms semicolon bracket 2 toilet facilities semicolon and bracket 3 CCTV cameras, availability of CCTV cameras in government medical colleges and hospitals across the state. Next, the data which has been placed on the record indicates that there are 28 government medical colleges in the state of West Bengal and 17 government apart from which there are 17 government hospitals in Kolkata. Full stop. The number of government, full stop, there are 87 hospitals besides.
Manoj, 1 and 2 have to be recorded separately, Manoj.
Yeah, 1 and 2 are 28 plus 17.
28 plus.
9, Manoj. Plus 9. So what's the number of government medical colleges in Kolkata is 9, Manoj. And then the state is 20.
थोड़ा सा delete कर दो.
Yeah.
There are 9 government medical colleges in Kolkata and 28 in the state of West Bengal,
Yeah.
making a total of 37
37.
government medical colleges. Full stop.
Visit ILMS Academy for various courses from contract drafting, RTI, labor law, GST, and more. Get certified to enhance employability.
17 government hospitals in Kolkata are attached to medical colleges,
Yes.
while 87 hospitals, into brackets, besides the 28 medical colleges and hospitals, exist in the state. Full stop. The affidavit filed by the state government indicates that apart from the existing facilities, sanction has been granted for installing additional duty rooms, restrooms, setting up toilet facilities, and the installation of additional CCTV cameras. Stop.
After consultation with the doctors.
Full stop. Besides making budgetary provisions, it has been stated that work has commenced and directions have been issued to the executive agencies to complete the work in 7 to 14 days. Full stop. The affidavit indicates that apart from 7747 existing CCTV cameras, an additional 6178 CCTV cameras would be installed. Full stop. In the public hospitals, apart from the existing 3346 CCTV cameras, and
Medical
an
college.
additional 4071 cameras would be installed. Full stop. In our view, what is of critical importance at the present point of time, is that a participatory process should be followed by the state government, so that the concerns of all the doctors, both senior and junior doctors, are duly taken into account. Full stop. To facilitate this, we have suggested to Mr. Kapil Sibal, we have suggested to the state of West Bengal that the collectors and that a team consisting of the collector and district magistrate for each district, bracket 2, the superintendent of police, 3, the principal of each medical college and hospital, or as the case may be, the superintendent, and 4, a representative each of the senior and junior doctors may be associated with the process, so that the work which is being carried out for the construction of duty rooms, setting up of toilet facilities and installation of CCTV cameras takes place to promote with their inputs in view. Full stop. This has been agreed to by the state of West Bengal. Full stop. The court has been assured that the entirety of the work shall be carried out within a period of 2 weeks from the date of this order. Full stop. Apart from the above steps, on the suggestion of the court, it has been accepted by the state of West Bengal that necessary steps would be taken to ensure biometric facilities, particularly for controlling access to those areas, to the duty and rest areas, both for male and female doctors, so as to ensure that unauthorized persons are not entitled to enter the hospitals. Full stop. The affidavit of the state government indicates that 910 additional women security personnel are being presently trained at the police training institutes and would be deployed at the government hospitals.
Well, it should be duty rooms, not duty areas.
Duty rooms.
Yeah.
On 13 September 2024, the Department of Health and Family Welfare of the Government of West Bengal has issued a government order proposing to engage an additional 1514 security personnel on a contractual basis in the government medical colleges and hospitals under a program which is called
Ratire
रात्रिरेर, ये पेज 27 को मिल जाएगा. Rathirer Sati dash helper at night. Full stop. These personnel are proposed to be engaged by outsourcing through an agency nominated by the government for a period of 1 year. Full stop. During the course of the hearing, serious reservations have been expressed by the council appearing on behalf of the senior and the junior resident doctors. Bearing in mind the background that the alleged offence in the present case has been committed by
Civil volunteer.
by a civic volunteer from who was also contractually recruited. Full stop. Apart from the above concern, the attention of the court has been drawn to an order dated 19 August 2024 issued by the state government, indicating that bracket 1, women doctors shall not be employed at night, and semicolon bracket 2, women doctors shall not be employed on any shift exceeding 12 hours. Full stop. We find justification in the reservations which have been expressed, particularly on behalf of the senior and junior doctors, as well as by the organizations, different organizations representing the doctors.
Why it'd be wrongly
Full
construed.
stop. The basic purpose must be